my name is Charissa Deville and welcome to part 1 of our 3-part flow trick series. Today, the first trick I'm going to show you is the overhand glide to the Fakey palm spin. This is a very techie move. This is something that I use on stage all the time. And it's good because you're not actually letting go of the top part. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is stand with your feet together. Your hoop is going to be in front of you just below your hips. And you just want to get used to rolling it over and over the top of your hand. Once you're comfortable with that, we then are going to put in kind of a seesaw motion. Like this. So we've got the seesaw motion. We're going to roll it over the hand as soon as it gets to the top part here, but the trick is to yank it back over the top. That's what gives it that gliding motion. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the trick is, to the audience, it looks straight most of the time. And you're going to get a proper tricep burn on this one, guys. I'm sorry, but you'll need it. Once you've gotten used to that feeling of gliding, this is the ending point. We are then going to grab from here and swing all the way up to the top. Let's try that again. Over the top of your hand. Once you grab here, you're going to go all the way to the top. When you get here, you're going to notice that your palm is going to be facing behind us in the beautiful forest behind me. All you want to do is rotate outwards and make the palm face still that way, but you twisted your arm completely to the right side. Then you're going to drop again. See? Fakey palm spin. So let's see it again. Over the top of the hand, grab, all the way up, palms behind, twist it back behind. You might need to move your torso and drop. It's actually a continual trick as well. Once you get used to that, you want to put the speed in. Beautiful. And you can move your body along with the hoop to give it that kind of performery style look. That's what I like to do because it gives the illusion that I'm more in control of the hoop. And you can get used to just doing this if you like, to get more used to the Fakey palm spin above your head. Beautiful. Let me know what you reckon, gals.